Welcome back, everybody. Okay, here we are 2 days in a row. That's insane because I realize I have more brand new Blackstone products to show you. So let's just jump straight into it. Right here we have the brand new Blackstone warming rack, okay? So I have a brand new one here in the packaging still. I'm gonna tuck that aside. Just wanted you to see what it looks like. So if you go to Walmart, these are Walmart exclusives. This is what you are looking for, okay? I have actually used this several times right now. I premiered it down in Texas 2 weeks ago at my friend Paul's house, and these are wonderful. So how these work is if you look at them, these are stainless steel, but they look like aluminum, so they look gorgeous, right? Okay, so at their most condensed form, they're about 16 inches wide. People always ask, and look at this. I came prepared with a tape measure today. And then if you expand these things, they go out to, let's see, Kim. Kim's behind the camera today.
Howdy.
Here, guys, if you come in here, the most expanded is around 28 inches. So if you're using a 36-inch griddle, boo, yeah. So everybody commenting on these is loving them. They really are wonderful. Actually, you can come right over here, Kim. So if I'm on a 36-inch griddle, you can just get an idea. Have the silicone padded handles here. You can put these in the back. And again, if you wanted to go down like on a 28-inch griddle, a 22, you get the point, okay? But these are wonderful. Used them in our burger video last week. I was able to toast buns and put them up on top. Steaks, man, you sear up a steak. You flip the steak. You're trying to get that gorgeous sear, but then you don't want the inside to, get too high. So you want to put them up here on a warming rack. You're making breakfast and you got your toast. Whoa, you got your pancakes, and they could be up here while you're working with the stuff that's a little more finicky, like eggs. So brand new Blackstone warming rack right there, Walmart exclusive. Let's see, before I jump into the next product, what do we have here? Lives. I just did an Instagram live with the famous Blackstone Betty. So go to Blackstone Products Instagram, check that out. We literally just got off the Instagram live. We gave away 2 Blackstone 28-inch griddles. So all you people that are always begging for free stuff, I hope you were there, and hopefully you're one of those 2 winners that we announced. All right, so next product, brand new Blackstone 7-inch chef's knife. Now, Blackstone has had a couple of different knives on the market over the years. The most prominent, I guess, is the set of 3, and they were wood-handled knives that were really sharp, razor sharp, right out of the package. And those were maybe 3 years ago. Blackstone has this brand new offering this year. Been using this for a couple of weeks. We've been using it for a couple of weeks, and I love it. Don't ask me the actual price on any of these things, because I don't know per se. I think this is in the $15 range. Possibly as much as 20, but it's wonderful. It has that signature series handle, okay? Has a little sheath on there, a little case. What? And razor sharp straight out of the package. Now, some of you, if you're knife connoisseurs, no, this isn't a $500 custom-made knife by a German knife maker. It's a Blackstone knife, right? But they do work very well. So long as you're not a knife snob and you just want a razor sharp knife that looks good in the hand, is perfect for slicing and dicing. It's a great option for you right there. So far, I'm going big time winner, and every time I griddle, I'm using these 2 new items first. Next up, Blackstone's brand new infrared thermometer with a probe. Now, a lot of people have asked for Blackstone thermometers, and if you've been around a long time like I have, Blackstone has come out with a lot of thermometers, a lot of probes over the years. In fact, 3. This is the 4th generation. That would surprise a lot of you, because a lot of you have been just waiting for it, but Blackstone's got it right here. We've had an infrared gun that came out 3-4 years ago. We had 2 different probes that came out 3 years ago or so, and they're long since gone. But this is the first one that Blackstone got to put a ton of research into here, okay? And it's got the probe, of course, so if you want to take a temperature, internal temperature of your steak or your chicken breast, whatever, you can do it here with the probe. Of course, you can do Celsius and Fahrenheit and all that. This runs on, let's see, it's been a while since I put the battery in here. It runs on AA's, 2 AA batteries.
And how do you change it?
And you change it. There's a little switch in here that's hard to find underneath a probe that you can use to switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Yeah, and it took me a while to find that, so thanks to my wife for helping me figure that out. And of course it has, of course, the infrared. I don't know if you can see the red coming through there. Now, I don't use the infrared much, but that's one of my #1 questions. You know, if I had to pick 20 random questions that seems like people ask me the most, it's how do I tell the temperature of the griddle plate? Or, Todd, I'm so confused. When you've done it for a long time, you don't really care what the temperature is because you can tell by feel. You drop drop a little water on the griddle top and you know if you're good to go. But some people, especially new griddlers, they are really excited about trying to find out what the temperature is. So this is the first ever that has combined the meat probe with the infrared. So very cool, very well made, and it has that Blackstone styling. So far I'm giving that thing 2 thumbs up. Let's see, what else we got on here? What else am I working on? Ooh, a lot of people asking about the Griddle More Tour. Of course, we had the Griddle More Tour in 2019. We did 63 cities across America in a bunch of states, and it was a blast. We had a ton of people come out. Last year was going to be bigger and better, and we did 4 weeks, okay? We did March, we did a weekend in Fresno, which is always one of the top, shout out to Fresno, one of the top griddling cities in America, a blast. We did a weekend in Bakersfield again, and we did a weekend around Dallas and west of Dallas, and we did a weekend in Oklahoma, in southern Oklahoma, before, of course, everything was canceled, of course, that I had nothing to do with. So Griddle More Tour, it is Blackstone's intention, of course, to have another Griddle More Tour. We've now been off the road as far as tours go for almost a year, right? Next month will be a year since everything was canceled in that regard. So just know that it is Walmart's desire, it is Blackstone's great desire to resume the tour. Just know that we do have people at our tour management company and at Blackstone, Sarah, that are working hard to see if we can make it happen. Obviously, a lot of hurdles when you're talking about national level, regional level, and working with retailers that are trying to stay within their restrictions. Again, we're keeping that out of here. You know, we're not talking about what we like and what we don't like here. I think you guys know my heart. I'd be out there right now if I could. But there's, you know, I'm limited. So we are working on it, and we're working on it. It would obviously have to have great restrictions, but we're going to do some things bigger and better if we can do it, meaning like a newer vehicle and lots of really cool stuff. So just stay tuned if we can pull it off. Right now it's looking at like 50-50, or maybe even better than 50-50. It's going to be like a modified 10-week tour that will start around Texas and go, you know, all around the southeast, parts of the East Coast, and a little bit of the Midwest. Now I'll get to this next. Thank you, Kim. I don't want to. People got mad on my last video because they said I talked about too many things that weren't products. Now this is another one, folks. Like if I had to rate all these, people always want to know, like, you know, well, what do I like the most? Well, I'm going to probably put these 3 as my favorite, and this would be my 4th. But that doesn't mean it's not going to be your 1st. I'll just show it to you because it came across my desk, and we'll see if you like it or not. I have one of these that I've actually used a few times, but this is the brand new one in the packaging. So if you wanted to see it, just like yesterday's collapsible basting cover, this is with Blackstone's brand new Adventure Ready collection that we came out with last year. Now it's a knife set. I'll show a few things in here that you might be confused about from the get-go. A knife set. So just think a couple of knives. A knife set. Okay, well, these are made for travel griddling. So the knife set comes with a couple of other things. The first thing was, I thought, wow, there's a cutting board in here, right? But just know it's not a cutting board. It's advertised as a prep mat. A prep mat, meaning you don't want to cut on it. So don't take that up with me. It's a prep mat. You know, you could have your chicken breasts or your finished food on here, but do not cut on it. It is a prep mat. And so here's what it is. It's 2 knives, okay? They're the Adventure Ready knives. They are good handles. You know, they're decent blades. This would be like a, you know, kind of like a paring knife, maybe a large paring knife. And this would be like the size of a steak knife, but only different than a steak knife. So take that for what it's worth. They come in a little kit. It does have a salt and pepper shaker on top, kind of cool, that you can put salt and pepper on there. I will tell you this from experience, because I had to practice it myself. When you go to fill these up, you want to press down like this, okay? From the top down. And you can see that going down. Push out your salt pepper shaker, fill it up, and then push it up through the bottom like that, because I couldn't figure out how to fill the first one. So there you go. That is the portable knife set right there, available at Walmart. So if you do want a couple of travel knives, and if you insist that they're Blackstone branded, there's a real cool way to put them all together. And here, I'll wrap it up for you. They roll up in a little tube. put that one in upside down. So again, the stowable prep mat right here. And they roll up in like so. You have to stretch this thing a little bit, and they store down inside, bear with me, the tube, just like that. So there you go. You probably will see me pulling that out on a few trips this summer. So that's pretty exciting. Ooh, Kim just pointed out that we do have some more, yet more designs in Blackstone's merchandise line that are available out at our Teespring site. So I don't think the beanies are available yet. These might eventually be out at blackstoneproducts.com, but for now, they're just some of us employees and griddlers that have them. Favorite beanies, wear them all the time in the winter. But these are available at Teespring. So if you go to teespring.com, type in Blackstone Products, you'll see our complete line of designs. This was a Hanes size gray large in the Griddle Nation design. There's a lot of new ones coming out. Jared just made some new Blackstone Hunting Club t-shirts. You might see me wearing those soon as well. Trying to think of anything else I'm up to, folks. So we'll let you know about the Griddle More Tour if that happens. I'm currently working on some training videos. Blackstone Griddles are sold everywhere. One of the places that sell our griddles is Murdoch's. Is it Murdoch's Ranch and Supply? I always forget their name. So I'm getting ready to do some training videos for some of the employees at Murdoch's. But until next time, everybody, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the food.